In this video, we will see the difference between Java and Python. Before seeing the difference, we need to know about the compiler and interpreter. Compiler scans all the high-level source code and converts it to machine code, producing the output. The interpreter scans one line at a time and executes. It does not produce object code, so it will directly run the instruction written in a program or script. Java uses a compiler, Python uses an interpreter. Let's see the difference one by one. Number 1. Java is a statically typed and compiled language. Once the instruction is complete, the compiler will compile the entire code. Python is a dynamically typed and interpreted language. Here the code is directly executed by an interpreter. Number 2. Java is faster at runtime. Python is slower when compared to Java. Number 3. Java syntax is complex and a learning curve. Python is easy to learn and use. Number 4. Java and Python both support cross-platforms, but for Python need to install the interpreter in the targeted machine. Java is widely used in web application development and mobile application development. Python is widely used in artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, machine learning. Number 5. Java takes 15 lines of code to read from a file. Python only needs 5 lines of code to read from a file. Number 6. Java provides limited string-related functionalities, but Python provides more. Number 7. Coming to backend frameworks, Java has Spring and Blade. Python has Django and Flask. Number 8. Database support, Java provides stable connectivity, Python offers weak connectivity. Thanks for watching the video.